Hello! In this tutorial, we'll take a look at the settings. So you can access the settings screen from the home dashboard or from your account here in the upper right corner. Here in the settings, you have profile, subscriptions, contact us, documentation, join Altris education settings, and the onboarding. Let's check the profile. Here in My Information, you can personalize your account by adding a picture, updating your profession specialization. This is where the name, surname, and email are given, as well as the country where you are based. And don't forget to click Save Changes button in case you updated these fields. In Report settings, you can upload a picture of your clinic, enter clinic name and email. And in case you want to change your password, click Change Password, enter your previous password, then your new one, repeat a password, and Update My Password button. Okay, and here Accounts Data, so this is where you can create a copy of the content from your Altris AI account. Then let's move further. These are the subscription plans. You are offered standard and pro plans with the following available examinations per plan from 25 till 250 examinations per month. Each of the plans includes 5 trial days. Also, there's an enterprise subscription plan available for larger individual clinics and multiple size businesses where it's possible to tailor the package to fit your clinical and business needs. Generally, you can select the best fitting plan and upgrade it when your needs are growing. Each plan contains the subscription details, such as name of the plan, how many days and examinations are left, and some information about the next payment. Here is the switcher between the monthly and annual bill modules. If you click over here, you can find all rates and the conditions that Altris AI detects. And these other services included or not included in subscriptions. Contact us. You can easily contact us by filling in this form. So add your first name, email, and over here in your message describe a problem you have. A screenshot can be added to explain the issues you are facing. After entering the information, click Send Form button. Altris AI support team will contact you ASAP. If you click the documentation, you will be redirected to the Altris AI Knowledge Center where you can find all the tutorials, detailed software description, the FAQs, etc. Join Altris Education. From here, you can join Altris Education, which is a free mobile app for OCT education interpretation and community for the eye care specialist. Settings. Over here, you can either switch off or on the referral score available for you in the segmentation and classification tab. And last but not least, onboarding. From here, you can complete the onboarding tour fully again or look through some specific functionality. Okay, I hope this was helpful and see you in our next tutorial.